Hello, my name is Erica, and I am a native English-speaking teacher from the United States. I've been teaching English for the past 5 years to adults and children, both online and here in my local community. One of the things that I love about teaching online is that I get to meet people from all around the world, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. In my classes, these are some things that you can expect. We are going to have fun, but don't worry, not too much fun. We will actually be learning something. I like to look at articles together, get into discussions. We can practice your pronunciation and grammar. I like to do writing if that's something that you're into, and also I love to bring in music. I think music is a wonderful way to learn a new language. Y también yo hablo español al nivel conversacional. Por lo que, si estás comenzando desde cero con inglés, es posible trabajemos juntos. So I am looking forward to meeting you. I can't wait to see you. Bye.